This 3D video was created by me using a magical AI tool with just one simple prompt. You heard that right. Today I'm going to share with you a tool that lets you create AI animations for free. Even better, the developers and I have prepared a giveaway of 3 pro accounts. Stick around until the end, and I'll tell you exactly how you can win one. The amazing software is called Novi AI. In today's video, I'll not only show you how to create cinematic AI videos, but also walk you through the entire process, from writing a script to fine-tuning the details, all in a way that's simple, fast, and fun. It's no exaggeration to say that this video is worth $1,000. If you're interested, make sure to subscribe, like, and save this video. Step 1. Explore the platform. After clicking the link in the comment section below, click Login. You can sign in with any email account and you'll instantly receive 80 free coins. You'll notice the interface is clean and intuitive, much simpler than other platforms. On the left-hand side, you'll see the toolbar, featuring text-to-video and the trending cat video creation function. On the right-hand side, you'll find example videos, all with original characters that stay consistent across different scenes, something most other tools can't do. Novi AI truly excels here. Step 2. Write your story script. Click on the text-to-video feature. If you're not sure how to write a script, just use Novi AI's built-in AI creation tool. Simply type in a short idea, and it will instantly create a full video for you. Let me show you an example. A little boy found a dragon egg in the forest. After the dragon hatched, the little boy embarked on a magical journey with it. Then, on the left panel, set your language and video style. Scroll down to adjust the video length, then hit Export.
Suddenly, the egg trembles and cracks open, revealing a tiny dragon with sparkling scales.
You'll see that Novi AI not only expands the story and visuals naturally, but also maintains perfect character consistency, all from just one simple prompt. I can confidently say that when it comes to understanding longer narratives and maintaining story continuity, Novi AI ranks among the very best AI tools on the market. Of course, if you already have your own script and want full creative control over the storyline and visual details, simply paste your script directly into the text box. And here's a little bonus tip I want to share. I'll show you how I create my scripts quickly and easily, using a super simple method to generate perfect story scripts in no time. I use ChatGPT to generate the story script and details. Just give ChatGPT your story idea, and it'll expand on it with detailed narratives. As you can see, ChatGPT creates a very detailed storyline. Honestly, it's like having the world's smartest brain at your fingertips. The efficiency is incredible. The final step is to copy this story and paste it directly into the Novi AI. Step 3. Turn your story text into a static video. Next, in this section, you can choose your video size and language. I'll go with 16:9 in English for this demo. Now it's time to select your video style. As you can see, there are several options to choose from: 3D cartoon, Disney, comic, GTA, anime, and more. Pick the one that best fits your story. Below, you can also adjust the video length. Since today's project has an anime theme, I'll choose the Pixar style. Just click AI Generate. Wow, you can see that Novi AI instantly processes your text and turns it into beautifully detailed images. After it's done, Novi AI automatically divides your story into multiple scenes based on the storyline. Each scene corresponds to one image, which means the more lines your script has, the more scenes will be generated. What's truly impressive is how well Novi AI understands the story and maintains visual consistency. I barely needed to make any revisions at all. By this stage, around 90% of this heartwarming story is already complete. If you want to edit specific scenes, you can easily do it here. Click the button next to the image, and in this panel, simply enter a new prompt to let the AI redraw that scene for you. Perfect for fixing any detail you don't like. Let me show you an example. In this image, I wasn't satisfied with the design of the main character, Rin's robotic appearance. All I had to do was adjust the description and click Apply, and within seconds, Novi AI generated the new version I wanted. So convenient, right? I did the same with another scene. Just made a few small tweaks to the prompt, and it turned out perfectly. And if you want to adjust the subtitles or the length of the text on your video, you can directly click the text on the screen, edit it, and hit apply. Novi AI will automatically update both the voiceover and the visuals accordingly. Step 4. Generate dynamic videos. If you want to turn the images into animations, just click here to generate it with one click. Similarly, if you want to trim the visuals, you can simply delete them by right-clicking. If you want to add new scenes, you can do that too. Just click here to add new drawings and scenes. Step 5. All-in-one video editing. On the right panel, you'll find dozens of voice options, different tones and font styles. Everything you need to customize your video.
So is cheerfulness, or a good temper. The more it is spent, the more remains.
I'm not interested in age. People who tell me their age are silly. You're as old as you feel.
You can even choose background music, BGM, that matches your story's mood, and tweak the text style to fit perfectly.
Recyclable materials. Rust eats away at its joints, its sensors flicker, and its memory logs are fragmented by centuries of corrosion.
Novi AI includes all essential video tools: voiceover, background music, subtitles, and editing. All in one place. No need for extra software. With just a few clicks, you can complete the entire video production process. Fast, efficient, and super convenient. Highly recommended. Now, for the part everyone's been waiting for, the giveaway. We're giving away 3 one-week SVIP passes for Novi AI, completely free. Here's how to join. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, comment, amazing tool below. All right, let's check out the results and see how amazing they are.
Centuries after Earth's downfall, the planet is a husk of rust and silence. Human civilization has long vanished, leaving behind broken skyscrapers half buried in sand and skeletal cities that crumble with every passing storm. Machines, once built to serve humanity, now wander aimlessly across the wasteland, some scavenging metal for survival, others repeating forgotten commands like ghosts stuck in old code. One of them is Unit R9, nicknamed Rin, a small scavenger robot built long ago to collect recyclable materials. Rust eats away at its joints, its sensors flicker, and its memory logs are fragmented by centuries of corrosion. During one storm-scarred sunset, Rin hears an unfamiliar sound, a cry soft and human. Following the sound through the wreckage of an old city, it uncovers an airlocked shelter half buried in debris. Inside lies a little girl, no older than 7, weak but alive. She has a small identification tag on her wrist that reads, Mira. Rin's programming struggles to classify the child. Organic life was supposed to be extinct. When Mira wakes and grabs its cold metal hand, whispering, "Don't leave," something shifts within Rin's aging circuitry. A spark of something that isn't quite logic. The robot decides to protect her. They travel together in search of the Blue Valley, a place Mira remembers from the stories her parents told. A valley where trees once bloomed and air was still safe to breathe. Rin knows no such coordinates exist, but something in the child's voice keeps it moving forward. Mira begins teaching Rin about what humanity once was. She describes rain, laughter, stars, and music. Rin records each story carefully, storing them in a special part of its memory core labeled Mira's World. One night, a dust storm rages. Rin shelters Mira in an overturned shuttle and blocks the entrance with its own body, shielding her from debris. When the storm clears, they find a hidden valley, nearly overtaken by dust. Yet beneath the grit and ruin, green shoots are growing. Mira calls them the first hope. Rin kneels and scans the soil, detecting traces of oxygen and water beneath. Rin feels the hope of life at the first time.
Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.